NYIT 120, I promised you a video about your custom search engine, and we're going to talk about how you can use Chrome to quickly search your engine with a keyboard command. And there's more to it than just the custom search engine, as you'll see in a moment. So I'm in Google Chrome right now. I'm going to head up into my toolbar space, and I'm going to type quote spacebar, and then I will type school. And what you'll notice happening is that I'm immediately have searched Goodreads for quotes about schools, which is quite interesting. Now, if I wanted to find synonyms about schools, let me type SYN. It's my keyword prompt, and let me type school. And you'll notice that I've immediately searched the Power Thesaurus for the term school. So I have school, college, class, academy. Excellent. I think this Power Thesaurus, rather, it's new to me, but I found it to be quite useful. So let me show you a few others. I have OR, spacebar, and let me try, well, test, we can try that. So what I've done here is I'm immediately searching from my Google Chrome interface the word test and NYIT's Oxford reference collection. Without having to go to Oxford reference, I've just searched Oxford reference from my toolbar. So we'll try a few others. I can type GD, Google Drive, and what I'm doing here is I'm searching my own Google Drive, keyword searching it using a keyboard command. And I can try, let's try one more here. Let's try pin, and let me try, well, we can use test as well, it really doesn't matter. And what I'm doing now is we've been using Diigo for our social bookmarks, but here I'm searching Pinboard, which is what I use for social bookmarks. It's quite interesting. We use Diigo because it's free. Pinboard, it's a nominal fee. It's also quite good. Has decent community RSS feeds. But here I've searched my bookmarks, so we'll go to my bookmarks, and for the keyword test, right? So I have quite a few in here. Now, last one, CSE, spacebar, and let me type term libraries. Now here, if you recall, I have a search engine that includes, I think it's approximately 125, 150 college and university newspapers, right? So I could have showed you the health engine. We had the programming engine that we saw this term. There were, quite a few interesting engines. Here, I've just keyword searched from my toolbar my custom search engine using a keyword command. So I have libraries. I have quite a few results. I could have been a little more specific. So if I wanted to tighten things up, this could have been my search in title, libraries, etc. But what you'll notice on the right-hand side is it defaults by date, and sure enough, I'm getting all of these university and college university libraries. So the point is that you can do this right from Google Chrome. Okay, now the next part, how do you do this? All right, so we're going to go to the right-hand side, and we're going to go down to settings, if you can see settings. Right, so under your Google Chrome settings, let's scroll down ever so slightly, and you'll notice it says Search Engine. You have your default engine, and you have Manage Search Engine. So let's click on Manage Search Engines, and here is where you're going to add your Google Custom Search Engine. So typically what happens, I'll show you one example here. So let me show, well, I can show you the Power Thesaurus. So let me just click Edit. So what you'll notice, I'm searching the Power Thesaurus, right? And I'm searching it. Here's my keyword command that populates the thesaurus. So I would just SYN spacebar, then enter my search term. And this is the important part, this string. So when I search Power Thesaurus for a keyword, like meta, like test, like whatever the case may be, school, I think that's the example we use, here I'm going to change the keyword that comes out of my search result with %S, %S. Once I've done that and I've clicked on Save, then I can go to my toolbar. So let me just populate another, and I will type in SYN spacebar, and then again, whatever I happen to choose, if it's school, whatever the case may be, and I'll immediately be searching, right? So let's go back to settings and let's take a look at the custom search engine. It's a little bit different, but generally you search the engine, you look at the search string, you change the keyword that you were searching to %S. That's the gist of it. When it comes to your custom search engine, a little bit different. So your search engine will end, right here is where your custom search engine. And at the end, what you're going to do is you're going to append an end, Q, end query, and my query is NQ equals, again, percentage number sign. So if you paste your, we're going to click Manage Search Engines, Add Search Engine, URL with question S in place of query, which is your search term. So I've added NQ, and query equals percentage sign S. CSE is my keyword command, and what am I searching? My custom search engine. I could call this my college, doesn't matter, my college and university news engine, whatever the case may be, and I hit save here. Okay, so let's go back, and we have our keyword command. So CSE spacebar. So essentially we've populated the college and university news search engine that we created, and then we could add a search term, or search phrase, doesn't matter. So let's do keyword. Let's try makerspace, right? Makerspace, and we'll try the term library. Doesn't really matter here, but what you'll notice immediately, we're searching makerspace and library, and we're organized here by date, and we're searching our college and university. So I have man, libraries, gun. So you see, it's a very quick way to search your custom search engine, to search for quotes, to search your Google Drive. You could even try this with Dropbox, search your social bookmarks. So again, what you want to do, right? You'll be in Google Chrome. You're going to click on the settings here on the right hand side, and from settings you're going to go down to manage search engines, and then keep in mind, they'll tell you, if you click add, they'll tell you what to do. You want to be adding this percentage number sign in place of your query. And then when it comes to adding your custom search engine, right, it's a little bit different for your custom search engine. At the end of your engine, you're going to add and Q, and my query equals percentage number sign, right? And there you go, you're searching from your toolbar. Now the last trick I'll tell you is that, if I'm here and if I want to search my toolbar, well, you have these options. So if I hit Command L, then I've immediately placed my cursor in my toolbar. So there are little tricks. So that particular one, I could be anywhere in the page, surfing down, looking. Command L, I'm in the toolbar, and then I could hit pin, P-I-N, space, and then I'm searching my social bookmarks. I could hit, if I want a synonym for something, SYN, etc., and then I'm searching my thesaurus. So you have this amazing way of accessing information very quickly using keyboard commands. So hopefully that's useful. I look forward to seeing your searches this week as we proceed with Google Power searching. All right, take care. Bye-bye.